Hello, first graders. Welcome. I'm going to show you how to do the summer scene. So, first couple things, we want to be able to tell about your favorite thing that you did this summer. And in doing this, I want you to be able to use a couple of things. I want you to be able to use the text by clicking the T up here. I want you to be able to type in your name. Okay. Now, when you type in your name, you can't move it. You can see here, you can't really drag it. But if you go down to the bottom outside the box and you click, and then you click on the box one more time, you can see you get a box and then you can move it. So I want you to learn how to click the T at the top. I want you to learn how to type your name. I want you to learn how to click off, click back on it, and move it. Now, when you get your name over here, it brings up, if you click on this box, it brings up some tools over here for you to make your name look good. If you don't click on the box, you see over here how they went away. So you taking the arrow tool, you click on the box, we can go to our font and choose a font that we like. And then we take the arrow tool and go back. We then click on the black box, which is your color picker. You can then choose a dark color. Don't really want to choose a light color because you can't really see it, but you got a dark color. Now, when you're done with your color, you take the arrow right here and you move back. Last thing, you have a size right here, this bubble, and you can make it just a little bit bigger. Please don't be too silly by making it big. You want it to look nice. Now, when you're done, you can get over here to this paintbrush. You can get over to the brushes and you can click on some grass because this summer I did a little camping in the grass. So I'm going to draw some green grass right there. I'm going to go up here, draw some clouds. There we go. We got a cloud. I'm going to leave some room over here so I can write my story. And if I went camping, I could even go over here and I can draw my tent. But what we can also do in first grade, we can also come to this button called Image. Now, some of you might have already have found this, and then you can go through and try to find things that you might like. So for the tent, I might come down to the sports down here, and you can see the scroll bar right here lets you get to all of them. And you can see right there, I've got a tent. So I will scroll down till I find my camping tent. I will actually put this one on top of my drawing because I like this one a little bit better. But don't forget, I also like to draw things, not just put stickers on there. So I'm going to take this paintbrush and grab that green. I'm going to grab the size of it to be a little bit bigger, and I'm going to fill this in a little bit. There we go. Now I've got some green grass there. Now, as I make this smaller, you're going to do things like put in a little sticks down here. Maybe even make that a little bit smaller. Got some sticks. Then I can go through and I can make a little bit of flames going up. Because we had a good campfire, we got some s'mores. So we're going to draw this picture. We're going to go up here to images, put some pictures in there of one thing or a couple things we did. And then when I get a chance over here, I'm going to write some words. So just a minute. So right there, I added my words in there. And again, I can come down here, make it a little bit bigger. I can go over here and say I want these words to be blue. And then I can go get some trees and kind of finish my picture. Now that I have my name, I have a picture I've started, I have some words. And that's what we're trying to do is one thing this summer, what did you do? Showing me how to use words by clicking the T up here, how to add some images. And also, don't forget, you need to draw some things. So make sure you draw some things on there too. Thanks. Hope you had fun.